Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi A2 and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down right away. Then select About Phone at the bottom. Now click on Device Name section and type in wherever you wish to. I will go with Sunny. When you finished, click on OK and then select OK in Device Name pop-up about visibility to confirm your choice. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!